Hi, this is Charlie giving you a Monday's market commentary. I hope you're very well. I'm going to do a fairly quick one today. I'm just going to talk about what happens after you've had a good run. Because after you've had a good run, it can actually become a danger zone, because what can happen is a trader can become overconfident. And at that point that they become overconfident, if I can write that properly, still can't do that. It's my second attempt at this video and I still couldn't write it properly. What can happen is they can start trading a little bit looser, whereas before they trade nice and tight, and that tightness is what gives them those winning trades, because they're patient and they wait for the right trades to come along. What happens is they get a bit overconfident and they start just trying to find more trades, because they think, oh, okay, well, I'm having great runs, they'll work out, and they trade a bit looser. And so and then what happens is, as a result, the P&L just drops off a little bit. And so the main point I just wanted to go through today was, when you're having a great run, just be wary of getting overconfident. It's great to be confident as a trader. That's a really good quality to have, but don't allow that to make you start to trade looser with this. I just put two lines on, but trading looser. Still try and keep it tight. Keep being fussy with your trades, and you will be better served that way. Right. Okay. Let's turn that off. Let's have a quick look at the markets, and then we'll call it a wrap. I think there's probably some other stuff I'm supposed to be talking about, but okay, so start off with the pound. It's having this nice pattern here. It's come back up to these highs again on the daily charts. I'm still interested in the pound. It's come all the way up to this 162 zone. I'm definitely interested in it. If it comes back up, it starts turning and coming back up again, then that could be the ultimate breakout zone. I'm looking for sort of 164 to possibly 166 on the pound. So one to watch, but it could have a flush down first of all. So it's possible that this could have another flush on the daily charts. We saw a similar sort of pattern on oil in the summer, and just because it's come up a third time doesn't mean to say it has to break on this occasion. So we'll see. We'll watch that one. But usually on the fourth or fifth attempt, it will go. So we'll see if it does come up for a fourth attempt, whether on that occasion it is actually going to go. So let's see. Watch that one. The euro dollar again. Is certainly interesting in that we've had this nice 2-day moves up at the end of last week, after the big flush down day, and so now it's a case of, okay, well, what's going to happen? It's having a bit of a back off here today, but can it hold on to that and then start to mosey on back up? And if it does do that, and if it can break above Friday's highs at 135.50 something, then if we can break back above into the 135.50s or 60s, then I think there's a good run potential into 136 to 36.50. So keep your eye on that euro. But if we roll over and we come back down to 134, then I think all bets are off there, and the euro will therefore be it will look much more likely that we're going to come down to re-attack these lows back down here at 133. So I'll just change my hat at that stage. And lastly, we'll have a look at the dollar yen. Dollar yen, great run, and so yeah, can't really say too much about that. Fantastic run. I caught some of that, but not all of the back end here of today's run. I came out at the end of last week, didn't I? Yeah. And so, but anyway, great run. And so we're now looking still on the dollar yen up towards 102 to 103. So it's still potentially got some more upside in this yet. So well worth watching that one as well. So it's a good trend. So trend's your friend. Stay with that trend. So look for continued long side opportunities. I'll leave it at that for now and be back in touch at the end of the week.